Good morning everyone. Hope you all are fine. Today we will see the exercises of chapter 12, that is the top of the world 2. Let's see the first one, that is put a tick by the true sentences and a cross by the ones that are false. It is nothing just like true and false. I hope you all can do it. Now let's see question number 2, which is change each sentence in two ways. First use not as as, then use less than. So you have to change the sentence in how many ways? Two ways. Let's see first example. A puppy is more playful than an old dog. You can see a lovely puppy. Then what will be the answer? An old dog is not as playful as a puppy. So your answer will start from an old dog is not as playful as a puppy. The another way will be an old dog is less playful than a puppy. An old dog is less playful than a puppy. Let's see second example. A knife is more dangerous than a pair of scissors. So how will we write answers? A pair of scissors is not as dangerous as a knife. And another way will be a pair of scissors is less dangerous than a knife. Now let's see some questions. Let's see question number B. Seema's book is more exciting than Salim's book. Then what will be the answer? The first way will be Salim's book is less exciting than Seema's book. Again I am repeating the answer. Salim's book is less exciting than Seema's book. If we see question number E, buses are more comfortable than rickshaws. Then what will be the answer? The answer will be rickshaws are not as comfortable as buses. Rickshaws are not as comfortable as buses. And another answer will be rickshaws are less comfortable than buses. Rickshaws are less comfortable than buses. Now let's see one more question, that is question number I. Honesty is more important than cleverness. Then what will be the answer? The first way of answer will be cleverness is not as important as honesty. Again I am repeating the answer of first way. Cleverness is not as important as honesty. The another way answer will be cleverness is less important than honesty. So like this you all have to try. I hope you all can do it by yourselves nicely. Now let's see question number 3. Write each sentence in another way. Do not change the meaning. You are given the beginning of each new sentence. You all have to change the sentence without changing its meaning. And the beginning of each new sentence is already given. Let's see question number B. A gun is more dangerous than a knife. Then what will be the answer? A knife is less dangerous than a gun. Again I am repeating the answer. A knife is less dangerous than a gun. Let's see question number E. 8 marks out of 10 are more satisfactory than 6 marks out of 10. So what will be the answer? And we will, as it is given already the beginning of the answer, we will make it like this. 6 marks out of 10 are not as satisfactory as 8 marks out of 10. Again I am repeating the answer of question number E. 6 marks out of 10 are not as satisfactory as 8 marks out of 10. So let's see one more question, that is question number 8. Writing compositions is less easy than reading a book. Then what will be the answer? Writing compositions is not as easy as reading a book. Again I am repeating the answer. Writing compositions is not as easy as reading a book. So like this you will have to try. Let's see one more question number M. A vest is not as expensive as a shirt. Then what will be the answer? A vest is less expensive than a shirt. Like this you will have to try. In question number 4, write out this passage putting in all the punctuation and capital letters. You have to rewrite this passage by putting full stop, comma, semicolon, first letter capital wherever it is necessary.